Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Love me, Sidin and friends. Introduction, my name is Sylvia Nasatika from 12 AKL course number 29. Today I'm here to talk to you about Journal Journal. What is Journal Journal? Journal Journal is a daily record of financial transaction in a certain period. The Journal Journal has 5 functions. The first function is recording function. The journal determines to which account and by what amount the transaction. And the second function is historical function. Journal record by prioritizing transaction in the order in which they occur. And the third function is analysis function. To determine the name of the account, the amount of the money to be recorded, and on which sheet debit or credit was record made. The proof of transaction is first analysis, and the fourth function is instructive function. Journal is order or transaction. The account must be filed in accordance with what is recorded in the journal. And the last function is informative function. The journal presents the date, name account, a brief description of the transaction, the amount of the money involved in the transaction. Then, how about the placement in the journal? Account in the journal are placed in debit or credit. First is asset. Asset increase is placed in debit, and if decrease is placed in credit. And second is liability. Liability increase is placed in credit, and if decrease is placed in debit. And three is equity. Equity increase is placed in credit, and if decrease is placed in debit. And then income. Income increase is placed in credit, and if decrease is placed in debit. And the last is expense. Expense increase is placed in debit, and if decrease is placed in credit. The form of journal. First, make a title that includes the name of the company, journal, the period of the month and year. Then create a table with 5 columns. The first column is date, the 2 column is name account, the 3 column is reference, the 4th column is debit, and the last column is credit. Example question: when November 1st, Mr. Arif deposit capital in the form of cash amounting by 25 million. First is make a title, namely the name of journal company, the period of the November 13th, the period of the November 2013. Then create a table with 5 columns. The first column date, and the second column is name account, and the third column is reference, and the fourth column is debit, and the last column is credit. After the date, the columns analysis the transaction. Cash was increased debit by 25 million, and the capital increase was credit by 25 million. Her amount of the total of the debit and credit always must be balanced. So, little explanation for me, more or less. I'm sorry. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.